As a battery cage user, you must check your water flow every day. I'm talking about every day, not skipping. In fact, if you can do it morning and evening, it is necessary for you, else you might be losing unknowingly. Birds need water. In fact, even their eggs, in production of eggs, water is about 70% of the content needed, so they need to drink enough water. What you see me doing now is tapping. I'm tapping my nipple to know if the water is flowing. You need to do this every day. Farmers, you need to do this every day. Thank you and stay blessed.